Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video I wanted to show you how you can actually buy the MI 11X Pro device for about 21,999 rupees. Yes, Snapdragon 888 processor, 21,999 rupees, and I don't think this will be in the stock any moment, because right now if you type in the Flipkart website, just type in the Flipkart MI 11X Pro in the Flipkart search bar, you'll get all this kind of MI 11X Pro devices. But out of those, few models are available for about 31,999 rupees, but one model, one variant, especially this silver variant, which is available for about 21,999 rupees. As you can see, this is a Snapdragon 888 processor. Friends, this is the Flipkart website which I'm trying to see right now. As you can see, it says out of stock, but in case if you want to buy, you can definitely keep an eye on this MI 11X Pro device on this Flipkart website. So which is seller is also assured, Flipkart assured. As you can see, this is a symbol you can see for the only assured sellers, but still 21,999 rupees for this Snapdragon 888. And a lot of users are actually asking me to make a video on this particular topic, on this MI 11X Pro, why it's available for about 21,999 rupees. Even I don't have any clue, friends. Right now it's currently out of stock, but if it comes to a stock, then this will be really biggest again deal, I would say. After the iQOO 3, this is another second biggest deal, I would say. No, maybe first biggest deal, because for 22,000 we are getting Snapdragon 888 processor if this comes to the stock. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are your thoughts on this MI 11X Pro device, whether this is going to come in the stock or not. Right now I don't think this will be coming any moment into the stock with this kind of price. So in the beginning I thought this must be a normal MI 11X model, not the Pro one, but later on I did read this Pro model and I got really shocked by looking at this price details from the Flipkart website. So you can do your research, friends, on the Flipkart website, and you can type here and you'll get this kind of different price range. As you can see, 34,999, 34,999, but few of the models are available for about 31,999. That's completely strange. Even I cannot understand why it's happened. Maybe because of the price mistake, I think so, but still. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and these are how you can actually buy the phone if the phone comes into the stock in the Flipkart website. See you in the next video, friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.